Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how to create a mock database, and then you're going to take that mock database, put it into MySQL, and generate a class for it. So you go to mockaroo.com, and it has all these different options. Make sure that you can change it. So if I want a full name instead of first name, I would put full name. Make sure that you put an underscore instead of a space, otherwise it'll mess up your code later. And I can change this, so I can search here for full name and it comes up. Click on it, and then I can get rid of last name, things like that. Then, or you could add another field this way. Then I want 1,000 rows, and I want it to be SQL. And the table name is going to be for mock data for video. And you want to be sure to include the create table. Now you can download your data. And when you download the data, it should say .SQL, otherwise you did something wrong. So you go back to MySQL Workbench now, and you click on the database that you want, and you click on create a new SQL tab for execution. Then you go to File, Open SQL Script, and you click on your SQL data that it created, and you click Open. Then you do Control-A, Control-C, it's Command on a Mac, and you go to your blank SQL file and you paste it in. Then you make sure that the database that you want it to be included in is highlighted like this. Now you need to refresh this. By the way, down here there's an administration tab and schemas. Make sure you're on the schemas tab, and you run. You want everything to be green. Green is good. And it's done. You need to refresh this, and it now shows that I have mock data for video. Now I want to create a class for this. So I go down here, I go to send to SQL editor. Sorry, I go to a new SQL file that's blank. I right click, I go to send to SQL editor, and then I do create statement. And this create table right here is going straight into codeverter.com. So I copy it, I go to codeverter, sorry, it doesn't have an E, codeverter.com, and there's this SQL entity class generator. Click on that, make sure MySQL is selected because that's where it's coming from, and you pick your programming language. If it's Java, you can generate a class. I'm just pasting in Control or Command V, pasting in the create table statement, and it'll generate all the code for it. If it's C#, that's what it's going to look like. If it's JavaScript, that's what it's going to look like. If it's PHP, that's what it's going to look like. You get the idea. Python, Scala, TypeScript, or VB.net. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, subscribe, and share this with your friends.